my fan, when you turn it on, the light turns on. You can have it on high power. The fan is not blowing. This is brand new out of the box. And so I wanted to check it out more. Go ahead and unplug that. And if we just undid the screws. Can you help me with that? We just undid the screws out of the back of this because we noticed that the fan was shaking back and forth when I tried to move the fan itself. See how loose this is? That doesn't seem right. So I wanted to look underneath it, and sure enough, that black plastic piece down there is completely cracked apart, which is supposed to hold this fan still. And all of these little pieces were originally, a couple of them were pulled out, so this was touching the heater, which is terribly unsafe. But yeah, this should not be wiggling, and the part underneath it should not.